a science experiment on air pressure. So all you need for this is a hot boiled egg, a glass bottle like this with a big nice hole, and some matchsticks. My goal is to get the egg into this bottle, and then at the end we'll try to get it out. So now I got this egg, but it will not go inside. We could mash it, we can push it down, but it won't work. So let's use a scientific way. I'm gonna take a match, strike it, keep it in the bottle, and the air will rush out, and then the egg will fall right in. Yeah, let's use a scientific way. Take the matchstick out first. This is a genius idea. Blow air into the bottle. Then the bottle will push the egg out again. I only have half energy, so I'm gonna ask my dad to do the rest of it. Okay, my dad helped me. Look at this messy egg because of the fire. Well, we have another way to keep the egg in. If you're scared of matchstick, put it aside. Take some hot water, fill it. Okay, now I've filled all this. Pour it in the bowl. So now the air inside is very, very hot. Now keep the egg in. Now, see? Oh, I think that crack is burning up. Crack! It's just, whoa, it's getting burning up. Look, it's instantly moving. People should also call this moving egg. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Just a minute and then it fell down. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.